Hey everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is having a wonderful and fantastic summer. So recently I decided to delve into something a little bit different, and I'm going to be talking about CC cream in this video from The Body Shop. Now The Body Shop has 3 shades of amazing CC cream. They have Peachy Glow for light to medium skin, they have Warm Glow for dark skin, and they have Bright Glow for light skin. Now I have tried all of these products, so I'm going to be reviewing them for you today, and I took a photo of just what my face looks like normally as like the control, so you can see what it looks like after, because I'm going to be testing all of these out again. I will say that out of the 3, my favorite is Peachy Glow, because I do have olive colored skin. I've got that Mediterranean Italian skin, and Peachy Glow is great for that. It's not too light, it's not too dark, and it's great for the winter time, because in the winter time I tend to look a little bit more washed out, a little bit more pale, and that kind of compensates for that. In addition, what I do like about these CC creams, which by the way, if you guys are curious what the difference is between CC and BB cream, CC cream generally stands for color correcting cream, and what that means is that you're gently just changing up the tone. So if you have, you know, I use rosacea, it's probably a bad example, but rosacea, you're gonna use a CC cream that tends to have like a cooler or an ashier base. It's gonna kind of tone out that. Or if you want to enhance, you can use the peachy color, which will enhance those natural, subtle red tones in the skin so it looks more mellow. So what I like about the CC cream is that from The Body Shop, their CC cream has a built-in 20 SPF, so you do get some sun protection. You don't have to go overboard with sunscreen if you have this on at least, depending on how your skin is on the Fitzpatrick scale or how it burns. So what I like about this is that it will correct your skin tone. If there's any skin tone issues, it will illuminate your skin so your skin will look more revived. And if you're looking for something that's a little bit more of a matte finish, the CC cream does a good job at reducing the shine. So if you have a lot of excess oil, after you cleanse with a designated skincare line to address that issue, you'll put the CC cream over your moisturizer, and that will get rid of any of the excess oil and reduce the shine so you get more of a matte finish. It's great for videography, photography, YouTube, vlogging, things of that nature. You can do the CC cream and not have to worry about going through with an entire like skincare regimen or even like a makeup regimen to counteract what you don't want to see. This will minimize the appearance of pores. So if you do have bigger pores in certain areas, this will cover them and help them look a lot smaller, so you don't have to be self-conscious about up-close photographs. And the other thing that I like is that it will kind of unify the skin and it will moisturize for 24 hours. So it makes everything kind of more of an even appearance. And if you're in the wintertime when moisture is a key component of your skincare line, this will help keep all that moisture in for up to 24 hours. Do not get in the and I drop it, of course. Do not get in the habit of wearing this overnight, because you can risk getting comedones. Even though I don't think this is comedogenic, generally speaking, it is not a good idea to wear any kind of skincare product like this overnight because you can clog your pores. This is dermatologically tested and it is suitable for sensitive skin. So if you have suitable skin or any kind of rosacea, this product will be great for you. So I'm gonna start off the video by reviewing the Peachy Glow, and I'll be right back. And this is just kind of like a video so you guys can see without anything on my skin after I've used my skincare line. Overall, I have pretty healthy skin. I have a few, not really blemishes, but some hyperpigmentation, but not bad. I do have some pore issues right there, but they're not as bad as they once were. I do like a skincare peeling line. So overall, this is what my skin looks like, and I will be right back. All right, so to apply the CC cream, I'm gonna be reviewing the Peachy Glow, which is my top favorite product. The Body Shop, I know, has been discontinuing some products in the UK, and I pray that they do not do the same thing here because I really like the shade a lot. This is great for a healthy glow, so if you are looking for something that is not too bright or not too dark, this will give you a little bit more of a tonal coverage while also helping you keep the integrity of your skin. And this is fabulous for photographs if you do have light to medium skin or more of like an olive color skin. So I'll show you guys, you can apply it in different ways. The one way that I actually like to apply this is, so you guys are here up close, if I can get a close-up of what this looks like. It's kind of hard to tell. But it's more of like a, almost like a light tan color, but it has a slightly, I don't want to say pink, but a slightly pinky coral base. So what I do is you can tap it on like so, or even use the applicator. And I've seen people like do this. And don't worry, this will not make your skin look dramatically pigmented. So I've seen people just go like that. And you can use a brush, or I prefer to use my fingers, and I just kind of go in like so and rub it in. We can get around the eye area, any area that you really want to make look healthier. I mean, make it look healthier or kind of correct the tone. You don't have to use this all over, but if you have certain areas that are a little bit more blemished and you want to make look evened out, you can apply them to just that area. I've seen people do that. But generally speaking, applying it just overall with 2 fingers, rubbing it in there, is a great way to go with this product. So if you guys can see this overall, I am pretty impressed by the result. It does do a good job at making your skin kind of come to life. So when you go to the camera, you don't look, what's the word, kind of like washed out, or you don't look kind of tired. If you apply this before any kind of photographs, it really makes everything stand out in a much more unified way. So your eyes don't look as sunken in, or you don't look as dreary as you normally would without any kind of skincare product. So I will also say that this product, all of them are good if you just had a chemical peel and you want to kind of cover up some of the redness. You can put this on as like an SPF. However, I think you might need to use a sunscreen over that just in case. But if you really don't want to, this is probably a better way to go. This is what it looks like. I like how it gives you that little pop of just color without going over the top. You don't look too tan, you don't look too pale. It kind of makes everything look a lot healthier. And I love the name of it, Peachy Glow, because it's exactly what peachy skin looks like. It's like that flesh color. So this is Peachy Glow, one of my favorites. I'm gonna try the Bright Glow next time. All right, so now I'm gonna be reviewing the Bright Glow Instaglow CC Cream. This is gonna be for your lighter skin tones. So if your skin is like a snow white or a very pale white, this is most likely gonna be your choice. You can test out all 3 at the Body Shop. If you go into their stores, they have testers. So I always say do that, and that can kind of give you an idea of what tone you prefer. Now I found with this one, you can really use this from what I've seen before. If you have a few blemishes and you just want to get a very gentle glow with less of the pigment, this is a really good choice. It's hard to tell, so I'll just take a photograph of all of the creams lined up so you can see that way. It's like a whitish color, a very, very off-white. I would say it has like a slight tone of pink to it. Kind of hard to tell, but I'll show you guys there. One thing I like is that this product does not necessarily have a horrible smell either. It is kind of like a mineral smell, but it dissipates. All right, and I actually like this a lot. It's hard to tell, but let me get a little bit more over here. You really don't need much of the product because it spreads out really well. This one is a really nice, gentle product that kind of illuminates your face. I find that compared to the Peachy Glow, which I actually really like. This one is a little bit more gentler. And then if I'm looking for something that's just for a gentle refresh, I just want to kind of enhance my skin. Not necessarily during the winter because my skin is kind of pale in the winter, but this one does work for the photographs. So in the winter time, I usually prefer Peachy Glow for a little bit of a healthy look. This one I kind of use towards like the fall time or early spring because it's a very gentle, refreshing tone. It makes my skin look very revived and fresh. Up here looks all smooth and nice after using it, and even it gets rid of some of the dark circles that I have, which have went away with a better diet. So overall, I do like this product. Let me give you guys a close up. Usually I find that you really don't necessarily know the difference until you actually take a before and after photo, and then I can really see it. So the Bright Glow, really good for a gentle, lighter look without that much pigment. So the last one I'll be trying will be the Warm Glow, and I will try that either later tonight or tomorrow. All right, everyone, I am back, and seeing that it is now summer, I'm now here to review the Body Shop's Instaglow CC Cream Warm Glow. And this is gonna be a healthy glow reviver for dark skin. It counteracts ashiness and warms up complexion. Multi-benefit formula to correct skin tone, illuminates, moisturizes for 24 hours, minimizes the appearance of pores, unifies the skin, and reduces shine. Dermatologically tested and suitable for sensitive skin. So let me get this on and see what it looks like. See if I can get close up here. This product is definitely darker. Kind of looks brown. Wow, this is definitely deeper. I kind of feel like I look like an Oompa Loompa. I'm gonna go see if I can fix this and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back now and I finished evening it out, reapplying to certain areas. Overall, I think it's a little too bronzy. It kind of looks like it's got more of like an orangey tone to it because I know it tones out ash. And you know, because ash is like a blue-green, the only way to do that is with a red or an orange red. This definitely has more of an orange base to it. It's very warm. I don't know if I actually rock this. I need to get a ring light so I can better show you guys this, but this is pretty warm. What I might do is mix a little bit of this in with the peach because I think the peach one is a better color because the peach one is for correcting dullness and awakens a tired looking complexion. That can maybe make it a little bit more wearable because the peach has like a little bit of pink, but this is like a full-on assault of red. If you do have darker skin, this will look nice in your skin. It will give it a nice sun-kissed glow. I gotta figure out how to use this properly, but this personally is not my favorite. In fact, I think I might wanna rinse this off. So, the Warm Glow, good for the summer without having to damage your skin in the sun because sun tanning is not good for your skin at all. Better than some of the spray tans, but still is a little too warm. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna give my final thoughts on all three of these products and I'll let you guys know what I think each one is good for. And that will be it for my video on the Body Shop's CC Cream. All right, everyone, so I want to give my final thoughts and opinions on the Body Shop's Instaglow collection. In my professional opinion, this has to be one of the best products that the Body Shop makes to get rid of skin blemishes because you see immediate results. This is not one of the products that gives you false claims. Every single one of the claims that are listed on the back are true. So that's what I like about the product line. I will say that the Each one of these may not be suitable for your skin tone. You have to make sure that your skin is the right tone before you use this. So always make sure you do a tester and see if you like the tone or not. You can possibly mix the two. So if you have like the warm glow and you don't want it to be too tan, you can probably add a little bit of bright glow in there or peachy glow and kind of tone it down a little bit. But anyhow, I think that, you know, these are great for someone that has blemished skin, someone that has big pores. If you do have a lot of oil on your skin, be careful because this can actually literally flake off and then you get like the gross crepiness and cakiness of it. So make sure that you get a designated skincare line. So whether that be the seaweed for the excess oil, something that will get rid of the extra oil and give you a nice matte base to work with. This is a great product to do, to kind of do it on. You want to have clean skin, obviously. You want to make sure your skin is kind of matte. Whether you want to use a primer or not, that's totally up to you. So I really like how this product is like a tinted moisturizer, so you don't have to worry about putting on all the makeup to look good. This has like a built-in pigment, so you can kind of get the most out of one product and not have to go overboard. So I just want to read off the claims real quick in case you didn't watch all my other ones. The Peachy Glow is going to be a healthy glow reviver for light to medium skin. That will counteract dullness and awaken a tired-looking skin complexion. The Warm Glow is going to be for dark skin, and it's going to counteract ashiness and warm up complexion. And the Bright Glow is for light skin, and this is going to reduce swollenness and brighten complexion. So if you have rosacea, this is going to be your best friend depending on your skin tone. I will say that my personal favorite out of all of these is going to be hands down the Peachy Glow. This gives me just a little bit of a warm glow without looking like an Oompa Loompa, without looking too orangey or too brassy or too bronze. This is the perfect one for me, and it's got a slight pink base to it with a little bit of orange, almost like a salmon color, but it works with my skin tone. I liked the Bright Glow. This just gave me a very gentle, bright look that's great for the winter time. The Warm Glow, I think I have to be tanner before I use this because I tend to get tanner in the summer, even tanner than now, and this made me a little too brassy. So I'm either going to combine that with another product like the Instaglow in another video, possibly. But that is it for this video. It also has a built-in SPF, so depending on how your skin works in the sunlight, this may be enough SPF, it may not be, but you know, something is better than nothing. So make sure you put this on before going out because you will protect your skin. I can't talk today. And if you have acne, make sure you test the product out first because I've heard mixed things. I've read that some people may break out from it and then some, you know, it might work fine. So that is it for this video. Like, comment, hit that subscribe button down below so I can continue making more awesome videos for you guys. Let me know down below which one of these you have tried. If you've tried the Bright Glow, the Peachy Glow, or the Warm Glow. I want to know what you liked about it and what you didn't like. So I'll see you guys soon for more videos.